How to delete all saved posts on Instagram at once. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into your application Instagram, into your login credentials, and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will be landing you on this home page. Once you are in the home page, move into your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Click on this three horizontal line at the top right corner. Now in the section of how you use Instagram, move into saved. Head over to all posts. It will show you all the saved posts of your Instagram. If you want to delete them all, then click on this three dot icon at top right corner and then click on select. You can see the option select all at the top right corner. Click on it. All of the post has been selected. Now click on Unsave at the bottom left corner. Once again tap on Unsave. And there you go, all the saved post has been removed successfully. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.